Okay, so I have put the links on where you can purchase your own jewelry hijabs, and you can use my discount code to get 10% off each purchase that you will make. So I will link down the link and the discount code below, so make sure you check it out. I guess that was all for today. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys. So as you can see, for a beginner it is very hard to do those dramatic head wrappings, and as for me, I most of the time I'm always on a rush, so I don't usually get enough time to like do my hair drops and things like that. I always just end up doing the simple ones, and yeah, I just have to do it. Because just to make them not look very simple, you can learn how to alternate the style. So instead of just do the low one every day, you can decide to have a tie on the forehead. You can have a tie on the side, a knot on the forehead, a knot on the side, and any other how. So this is just to make sure that you do not look the same every day. You can change your looks with the easiest ones. So don't get intimidated when you see those complex and dropping out there. Just know that you need time to learn and practice. It's not something you can just try today and you'll be ready to do it exactly the same the next day. Until the next one. Bye.